Good morning, televiewers. Today is Thursday, June 22, 2023. This is Ayu Sulistyaningsih and you are watching BCI Daily News. I am here to bring you all the first and latest news. Our top story for today is agriculture loses to tropical storm nearing hit 2.70 billion pesos. Aside from the 40 people killed and 19 missing by severe tropical storm nearing, the NDRRMC report on Sunday that the damage to agriculture in 7 regions has already reached 2.17 billion pesos. The Department of Agriculture also stated that the figure was 430 million pesos, more than the 1.74 billion pesos. The NDRRMC placed at 2,173 billion pesos damage to agriculture in the Locust region, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, Mimaropa, the Western Visayas, Caraga, and the Cordillera Administrative Regions. The NDRRMC noted that agriculture in the Locust region was the worst hit, with damage pitched at almost 1.4 billion pesos. Damage to infrastructure in the Locust region, Cordillera, Cagayan Valley, Mimaropa, Caraga, and the Western Visayas was estimated to be over 1 billion pesos. Also, the worst hit in terms of infrastructure was the Locust region with 911 million. On the other hand, the NDRRMC said that among the 40 reports that only 23 have been confirmed, while the rest are still being validated. While 16 of 19 missing persons have been confirmed to be unaccounted for and are still the subject of a search operation, while 2 reported missing persons are still for validation. The missing were presumed to have been swept away by floods and strong water currents are buried in landslide at the height of marine onslaught. Of the 40 report fatalities, 14 are in Locust Sur, 9 in Benguet, 7 in Pangasinan, 5 in Palawan, 3 in Cagayan Province, and 1 each in La Union and Locust North. Million pesos worth of damage public in facilities. And that is the news for this morning. Again, this is Ayu Sulistyaningsih with BCA Daily Newscast for the latest news and update. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.